Municipality Chairperson Damodar Shirodkar has blamed the failure of the administration after it was found that the LDC had deposited the fare stall collection in his account. Shocking, the entire amount of 17.66 lakh rupees was deposited in one bank account. He said there was a blame game between the chief officer Gaurish Sankhavlekar and the LDC Yogesh Shetkar. If the money does not come back to the MMC treasury in 2 days, he said he would initiate legal action. Experts in OCI and Portuguese citizenship issue have said that the decision by the union government to accept a copy of the passport revocation order as an alternative to the surrender certificate is a big relief to the OCI applicant. Experts said that for people who were fearing that in case their passports are revoked, they would not get OCI status, that fear is now being addressed. Ahead of the Kurbani festival, South Goa District Magistrate Ashwin Chandru has issued an order under Section 144 of the CRPC. This order prohibits the gathering of 4 or more persons within the periphery of the Goa Meat Complex compound wall and within a 1 kilometer radius from the compound wall of the modernized abattoir in Usgav Ponda. The order will be in effect from midnight on 16th June until midnight on 19th June, covering a period of 4 days. The fish deaths in a rivulet adjoining Kachodam Kakura waste treatment plant were caused since the sludge was stored in the open and was swept into the rivulet by the rain. The sludge should be covered properly and there should be drainage and collection place, Goa State Pollution Control Board told Herald TV. Although a humongous amount of public money has been spent on widening of highways and building bridges, there are major traffic congestion points all over Goa. In this campaign, Goa Traffic Choke, Herald TV visited Chimbale Junction to see the traffic situation. The Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, on Wednesday maintained its stand that there was a polarization and religious interference due to which the party candidate lost in South Goa parliamentary constituency in the just concluded Lok Sabha polls. The High Court had given 31st May as deadline for completion of smart city works. In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV spoke to people to gather their opinion on whether a contempt petition should be filed against smart city officials since 25% of the work is incomplete and they have asked for another postponement of deadline. Divram Panchayat has warned vendors against dumping waste into the main nulla at Marcel Bazar. Divram Orgaon Sarpanch Jayesh Naik said that the nulla was cleaned by the Panchayat last year. However, vendors were found dumping waste and the nulla has choked again. He urged the vendors as well as locals not to dump waste into Marcel Nulla, else they would be issued hefty fines. General Secretary of National Fish Workers Forum Olencio Simos highlighted the dreadful plight of Sri Lanka's fisher folks who have left their profession and have become labourers. He added that soon, Goa will face such decline in fishing resources if rules are not followed properly. He urged the government to immediately work towards protecting the already depleting fishing stocks in our country by bringing new legislation so that the fishermen's livelihood can be protected. A huge mango tree collapsed at Sukalwada, Korgaon, damaging 2 houses. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. The residents called the fire and emergency service and cleared the area in time. The recent removal of large concrete road dividers from the newly widened 4-lane Bethoraborim road has sparked safety concerns among locals as the road has not been restored. The decision to remove the dividers followed a fatal accident involving a Vasco-based youth, which exposed the potential hazards posed by the large dividers. Concerns have raised as garbage littered by the roadside in Arambol is going unattended. Despite there being a provision for imposing a fine of 25,000 rupees by the Garbage Committee of the Arambol Panchayat, dumping in open space along the roadside have increased significantly. The poor quality roads constructed at Baga, Velim has sparked concerns amongst the locals as the roads have become a threat to human life. With no proper road patching and sinkholes, highlights the authorities' failure into addressing the situation. Gymkhana blanked UBD Kolwa 4-0 to enter into the quarter-finals of 13th Benolim Panchayat Cup 2024 organised by United Club of Benolim and played at Dando Football Ground, Benolim. Savio Fernandes, president of Kurturam Gymkhana, presented man of match to Alistair Fernandes of Kurturam Gymkhana. Arshdeep Singh's artistry and Suryakumar Yadav's coolness combined well for India as they staved off US's challenge, etching a 7-wicket win to clinch a Super 8 berth in the T20 World Cup here on Wednesday.